Brian Anderson with Concrete Coatings, and I'm going to demonstrate how we do mortar repair with our Fast-Patch mortar. This break here is something that you could find in any sidewalk or driveway or the edge of a step where the corner is broken off. Our Fast-Patch mortar is designed to repair these. It repairs them rather quickly, which allows us to continue on with the process. One of the things that you always want to do with Fast-Patch mortar is you want to make sure that you eliminate any of the loose material that can continue to flake and come apart. So what we'll do is we're going to cut this out with a 5-inch diamond blade here in just a second, but we'll make sure that we cut back plenty far into the surface that we eliminate any scaling that's already taking place. That way we make sure that we attach to good solid concrete. Now that we've made our cuts, we can go ahead and chisel out all of our excess material. We've cut back far enough to make sure that we've got rid of anything that might be loose or continue to fall apart. So we'll just carefully chisel this out. Okay, once we've chiseled it all out, then we can take a pressure washer and wash everything out and get it clean. Now that we've washed it, we've removed all of the loose debris. We need to form it, and the best way to form it is simply by using duct tape and cardboard. We've got a piece of cardboard just about the right size. I usually like to line it up with my top edge pretty close. Our Fast-Patch mortar is just mixed with water. We've got a little bit of our mortar, we'll pour in our bucket. You never want to mix more of this material than you can use in a very short amount of time. That sets up very fast. And we just use a small amount of water, just enough to wet the material out. We want everything wet. We want it to be able to hold a form, hold a shape. We do not want to make it pourable. Probably the most important thing is that it must bond to a wet surface. So you have to pre-moisten your surface. If it's a larger area, you could just spritz it with a hose. Something this small, just with a brush. Make sure everything's wet. Then we take our mortar and we just place it in. Make sure we work it in really good. Get it into all the little nooks and crannies of our repair. get it to right about surface level or slightly above. Always try to start shaping it as soon as possible, because it will just help you when you have to grind it later. So we'll leave that. We'll give it about 20 minutes and we'll come back and we'll take our form off and show you how to finish shaping our repair. As soon as possible, we want to take our form off, just like so, and then we can start shaping our repair. We can use our trowel and kind of scrape off the excess. Now if we let this sit for a few hours, we can come back with a grinder and finish it off, get everything shaped out very nicely. And other than color, you won't even be able to tell that we made the repair. After we let it sit and get good and hardened, then we're ready to etch and wash and coat over the top of it.